There you go.
Welcome back to another video. We're playing Battle Cats today.
Oh!
We're in Will's in the back. We're playing in chapter 3.
I'm playing
He's playing chapter 3 with only Can.
cat.
Cat.
Cat. And the
We're
thing
gonna
is, she's
do
only
Jamaica.
good against red.
So, what am I gonna do for Jamaica? So, this is my squad.
Don't ever say that again.
I can say what I want, thank you.
Nuh-uh.
I'm eventually gonna get rid of this cat. The rest will stay. Probably,
Hold on, I gotta...
she'll probably disappear at one point as well. But I'm gonna try and get Dragon Cat, I think, eventually. Or I'm gonna try and get Whale Cat, because they're pretty useful.
We missed the...
So we're gonna get the cat CPU, and we're gonna continue.
So easy. It might not be easy as soon as the boss comes out, but it will be. It's so easy. Just one can at a time, because can kill people.
I'm not the best at this game, at all.
I am.
No, you're not.
Watch me beat this with can.
You're better than me. Overall, you're better. You're the best person in this room at the game.
Yeah, there's only two of us.
Exactly.
Dumbass.
I would like you to keep the swearing to a minimum.
Oh.
I actually mean it. I'm trying to not have a lot of people swear on my channel.
Okay, 30.
No, I honestly mean it though.
Ah!
You deserve that for swearing.
Fun!
There we go.
This is a lot of sugar.
Don't push Shark.
Why the truck not?
Guys, if I should unsubscribe to Will, put in the comments.
Okay, well here is a threat. I will keep swearing.
And I'll keep tasering.
Fuck. Shit. Balls. Ballsack? Is ballsack a swear word?
Not really, no.
Yeah.
But I have told you not to swear.
Okay, Mum.
You're gonna get tickled now.
No. No, please stop.
Tickled by the fingers.
See? It's so easy.
There we go.
A lot too easy, actually.
Oh, wait, no. Jamaica is complete.
You're Jamaica.
So if you think I'm gonna beat chapter 3.
Get out!
First try, write it in the comments.
Write it in the comments. Nice.
This video isn't gonna be that long, so I'm gonna say we're gonna do one more. And
okay, you know what? I'm gonna do security breach now.
And I'm going to continue. Remember, you're still streaming.
Yeah, I know. Look at Freddy.
So, let's keep putting the cats in. You are not worth my time at the moment. Neither are you, but I'm using you
Okay,
anyway. Miss Miko Cat and you, Copper Mine Type K. You are useless.
I
don't actually know if there's anything useful in this. Yep, I think we are winning this one.
Bim. Wait.
And we're done. And we get some coffee with it. Nice. Guys, this will be another end of the video. If you want a part 2, like and subscribe. Bye.